Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce credit card debt collection with Credit Karma, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Credit Karma website or downloading the app on your mobile device. Create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section. Review your credit card balances and outstanding debts listed. Identify the credit cards with the highest interest rates. Make a list of these cards and their minimum payment amounts. Next, check your credit score on Credit Karma. Understanding your credit score can help you determine your options. Consider setting up payment reminders to avoid late fees. Use the budgeting tools in Credit Karma to track your monthly expenses. Allocate extra funds toward the highest interest credit card. Make payments above the minimum whenever possible. If you are struggling to manage payments, explore the debt relief options available in Credit Karma. You can also look into balance transfer offers through Credit Karma. Evaluate different credit card offers that may provide lower interest rates. Once you've made a decision, apply for a card that suits your needs. Pay off your highest interest card first. Continue this method until you have tackled your debts. Remember to keep track of your progress on the Credit Karma app. Stay informed about your credit score as you reduce your debt. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.